Hey, did you guys ever use, of course I can't get it, one of these as a magnifying glass? It's awkward, and I do have a real magnifying glass somewhere. This lens is always hanging around. It's out of a projection TV. So if you have one still in your basement, you want to dump it, take it apart, take out the mineral oil, take some other bullshit off, and you get these adjustable magnifying lenses that work. I just don't know if I could videotape this. I don't have good light. I'm trying to see if anything's clogging. Yeah. And these shoes are not the right ones for the car, and I just realized, look at my Focus Pilot. The tips on the front of this chassis are broke off too, so I guess that's why the dude soldered them on. Let's try the other way. Just that one looks cleared. Looks like there's plastic under that one towards the right side. All right, it looks like it might end up being a piece of shit, but I could fix these fronts by heating up a small pin, a piece of a pin, just melting that in. And this chassis, I can't build up around it with any JB weld to make it look nice. It's probably just going to be a piece of pin sticking out to catch the end of the shoe. This piece. I just like getting anything to work, even if it's freaking junk. I should just pass it on to the next guy who needs some axles and part for the worm gear. These look like the metal rims, yeah. All right. Checking out. Torse.